Hello there. My name is Sasha Davison, co-founder of the Flowin app. My partner Leonardo and I are here to discuss with you an exciting new home for game concepts, Flowin. With our simple yet effective format, the Flowin app encourages growth in the game design industry and builds a community of like-minded creatives who share a common goal. Do you have thousands of ideas for A-list games, but no one who shares your vision? Are you frustrated because you know that if the right investor knew about your product, it could change your life? Are you an indie developer in desperate need of feedback about your creations? At Flowin, we've come up with a solution. Our community is populated with game designers and developers worldwide, giving aspiring creators a home to share ideas and feedback. Flowin allows users to specify their budget range to keep potential investors informed. Comments and ratings mean our users can receive insightful feedback about their concepts. Our team followed the journeys of two unique users to analyze where we could improve in our design. Our users, Tyler and Vanessa, had an overall positive experience, but there were some features they believed could be improved on. Tyler did not appreciate the requirement to sign up for the app just to view posts. He was also disappointed that user profiles did not display an average rating. Vanessa doesn't like having dozens of passwords and usernames to possibly forget. She prefers to link apps to her social media accounts or her Google account. She also thought it was unfortunate that the app did not prompt her to leave a review or rating in the App Store. Our team worked together to brainstorm solutions to these problems. Before we go over them, here are a few graphics to show you Tyler and Vanessa's user personas and maps of their journeys. So how can we improve the Flowin app? To solve some of our users' pain points, we may only require an account for users who wish to create or interact with posts. We will also allow users to publicly display their posts' average ratings. Social media login will be encouraged to reduce the chances of users forgetting their login credentials. To improve brand awareness, we will prompt users of the app several times a year to provide an honest rating or review of the Flowin app. Now, our co-founder Leo will demonstrate a prototype of the Flowin app. Before its demonstration, let's look at the steps we took to get here. Here is our sitemap. As you can see, there is a logical flow between the application's pages. Now, let's look at some examples of our low-fidelity wireframes and how they flow together. If you cannot visualize how these wireframes flow together, don't worry. Our prototype will help you understand. Lastly, let's take a quick look at the mock-ups of the wireframe you were just shown. These are the exact mock-ups used in the prototype you are about to view. So without further ado, let's look at our prototype.
Welcome to Flowin, a home for game concepts. Start by clicking on Create an Account. If you already have a profile, click the back arrow to return to the login screen. Once you enter your information, click the checkbox to agree to our terms of service. Click the plus sign to create a new game concept. Press back to return to the home screen. You'll be brought to your profile page when you submit a game concept. From there, click the Options menu to log out. You can log in with Facebook or with your user credentials. Note the profile icon in the top left corner. You can also click on the user icon on each post in the feed to be brought to that user's profile. Lastly, scroll through the feed to browse new game concepts.